to my channel. I got a new wig from RemyForte. And I want to show it to you all. So I'm gonna do an unboxing, I'm gonna install the wig, and then give you my overall thoughts on this unit. So let me show you everything that I got. Of course, my wig came in this box. And it comes off like this. And in the packaging, you have your wig. This is exactly how the wig came. I have a wig cap. And then we have these here. So that's everything that I got. And let me show you the wig. So this wig here is pre-curled. It is pre-bleached. It is pre-plucked, but it is not pre-cut. So we do have to cut the lace, but let me show you how it looks. How the lace looks. You do have a lot of baby hairs, but it is pre-plucked and pre-bleached already. The back of the wig. So you get about my full pinky's worth of parting space in the back of your unit. And the unit is actually a drawstring. So here is the drawstring. So it has a drawstring back and it works like this. And it's just adjustable in the back. Now it does come with some combs as well. Here are the combs. The combs are not removable. So they have combs here in the back and then along the sides here. And then as you can see, you get a lot of parting space down the middle as well. And I want to show you all how much parting space you get right there. So the only thing that's removable on this unit is the strap here. So I'm really excited to try this wig out. And since it's pre-curled, it should be really easy to, you know, style and put on right out of the packaging here. So I'm just gonna try it on though. Okay, so this is how the wig looks. You can see the curls, but this is how it looks straight out of the packaging. I cut the lace just a little bit. I didn't fully cut it, but it looks like it's gonna need a little bit of work. I'm gonna hot comb it first to really see how the edges look, and then we're gonna add makeup to the lace and glue it down, and then we'll start styling. Okay, so I put the wig on. I do have a larger size head, and this wig is a little snug. So if you have a larger head, definitely make sure that you get a large cap size. But I did get the wig on, and now I'm just gonna comb out my curls and see how the actual hair is for this wig. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. The wig is a 360. You can definitely glue the lace down in the back as well, but I decided to push mine up to the elastic part. Since it is really stretchy right there, you can like tuck it in or bring it back to your neck here and glue it down. But overall, this wig is perfect. The links are in the description box down below. Just make sure that you get your correct size, because I definitely could have sized up in this unit. So again, the links are in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and like the video, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.